Okay. Country's postal service will accept a package if its length plus its girth, distance all the way around, does not exceed 84 inches. Find the dimensions and volume of the largest package where the square base can be mailed. Okay, so square base, what we're talking about is like this right here, and this would be X, this would be X. Actually, all these would be X. Um, Find dimensions and volume of the largest package with a square base. So sounds like we want a largest implies we want to maximize. Um, Dimensions and volume. Okay, volume. So we want to maximize our volume. So that's our goal. So we need a formula for volume equals something. Okay, so if my picture goes up like that, I don't know what this length is. I know these are X going around here. Um, Country's postal service will serve as length plus its girth. Okay, there it is. Length. Let me try to draw this. I'm having trouble visualizing it. Okay, so length would be this, and okay, it's coming together now. And so this would be our width, like that. Now volume of a rectangular shape, rectangular solid like that is length times width times width. Well, the W's we said was X, so it's length times X times X. Problem is the X right here, or the L. Sorry. So let's think this through. Find dimensions. Okay, accept its package of its length plus its girth, distance all the way around. So length plus distance all the way around is 4x. Does not exceed 84 inches. Okay, so in this one I could solve for L. So I'm going to take the 4x. That seems weird. Length plus girth. Yeah. I could solve for L. So I take the 4x over and get this. Then I come over here and plug that in. So L is 84 minus 4x, and x times x is x squared. If I multiply that through, I'm going to get 84x squared minus 4x to the third. Minimum, maximum, you always take the derivative. So that gives us 168x minus 12x squared. Set that equal to 0. Factor out, is that divisible by 12? Yeah, it is. So factor out a 12x, and that gives us, let's see, 114. 14. Minus, that 12's gone, one of these x is gone, so that gives me x equals 0. Set 12x equal to 0, set 14 minus x equal to 0. This gives us x equals 0, which doesn't make any sense. Because that would imply this distance is 0 and there's no volume. So this one is our only possibility. Take x is equal to 14. Now I could take this and do my test cases, make sure it is indeed a max. Based upon this shape of this, though, it is. So I don't need to actually do that. Now they're wanting to know the dimensions. So base is 14 by 14. Now length. Well, length is over here. So we got length is equal to 84 minus 4, and we just said x was 14. 84 minus 56. Yeah, 56. For 28. Yeah, and that's where the 28 comes from. Now our volume then. Our formula for volume was right up here. So if we do volume is equal to our length, which is 28, times our width, which is 14, times our width, which is 14, then that'll give us our final answer.